Good morning, Achieve, and happy Thursday. Today is Thursday, March 11th. We're going to go ahead and start with our Pledge of Allegiance. So everybody please stand, salute, and pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Okay, have a seat. All right, so today we're going to continue talking about kindness. Yesterday, Mr. Wright talked with you about a really sad thing, about something that's kind of hard to talk about, and that is bullying. And bullying is when somebody is being mean to another person, and they tend to do it more than once, and it's very hurtful. It can really hurt and scare that person. And so he gave you some ideas about what to do when somebody, like a friend of yours, is being bullied. He talked about ideas like don't laugh and don't participate and help the victim and get an adult to help. So today I want to talk with you about when you should get an adult to help. So here's a picture of somebody who's being bullied at school. There's lots of different ways that people might be bullied. Sometimes verbally, people get bullied, like people say mean things to you. Sometimes bullying can be physical. And when bullying becomes physical, that is a really important time to get an adult to help. Here's some other times too when you should get an adult to help. If someone is getting hurt, so if things are getting physical, maybe another student is putting their hands on that child, then definitely go to an adult for help. Also, if the bully is saying very disrespectful things, putting the child down or saying very hurtful things, maybe saying inappropriate things that shouldn't be said at school or any time, like maybe cuss words, things like that, that's a time to get an adult to help. If somebody is breaking a safety rule, like doing something that's very unsafe and somebody might get hurt, then that would be a time to get an adult to help. Or if the things that are being said are making you feel uncomfortable, then that would also be a time to get an adult to help. Like if you're there and somebody is saying very mean things, hurting your friend, just anything that's making you feel like this is wrong, this should not be happening, then you should follow that gut instinct, because that feeling that you get inside your body that tells you this is wrong, that's a warning that something bad might happen. And that would be an excellent time for you to either go to your teacher or go to the principal and let them know what's happening, or the yard duty if there's somebody that's nearby that can help intervene in that situation. All right, so we have a question for you, and that question is, I would love for you to talk about a time that you helped a friend. All right, have a great day, Achieve. Bye.